Need to identify active Facebook users from large phone number lists? Facebook Active helps detect Facebook accounts with active and queryable status, allowing businesses to focus on real users and improve audience targeting efficiency. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account checking products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign in to the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the Social category, locate Facebook Active and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking active Facebook accounts. After processing is completed, review the checking results on the Results page. The results show the number of phone numbers identified with active and queryable Facebook account status. Click Original File or Download to save the complete results file. The exported file contains phone numbers identified with active Facebook account status. The results can be used for audience targeting, customer acquisition, lead qualification, and Facebook marketing preparation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account checking guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking active Facebook accounts today.